personalized, connected, comfortable. The Multimedia Cockpit Interactive. The Multimedia Cockpit Interactive is the highlight of the new digital cockpit concept. The moment you step on board, you can call on the assistance of the keyless start function, which allows you to start the engine without actively using the key. The fully digital 12-inch instrument cluster offers plenty of opportunity to make individual adjustments to the driver's trip and vehicle information settings. And it's easy to operate using the new touch control buttons. Additional vehicle information can be called up and further settings made on the multi-touch display. An inductive charging tray allows convenient wireless charging. The electronic parking brake releases and engages automatically in certain situations, but can still be operated manually too. It's easy to manage transport jobs using the Mercedes-Benz Truck app portal. And the shortcut keys provide intuitive control of primary functions, such as the light menu. The Multimedia Cockpit Interactive. Mercedes-Benz. Trucks you can trust.